Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open the hood on a Porsche Taycan with a dead battery. Begin by ensuring the car is in park and the parking brake is set, then put on gloves and work in a well-lit area. Find the front trunk latch inside near the center console and inspect the windshield cowl for a manual release access point. Prioritize safety and avoid shorting high-voltage components. Start by removing any plastic trim around the windshield cowl to reveal the manual release access. Use a flashlight and a long flat tool to reach the lever behind the grille area, then pull the release with a single confident motion. Once the hood pops, gently lift and secure it with the prop, or let the strut take over if it engages. Keep hands clear of pinch points and high-voltage orange cables at all times. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. After crawling under cowl panels and gloves, treat your car to Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, crisp scent that hides workshop smells, perfect for driving home. I'll note the product link and deals are in the description so you can grab one easily. And now let's get back to the video. If the manual release is inaccessible, use a portable 12V jump pack to revive the 12V system briefly. Attach clamps to the service terminal or designated jump point, observing polarity and manufacturer steps. Wait until interior electronics become responsive, then press the frunk release inside to open the hood. Once the hood is up, remove the pack clamps carefully, stow the pack, and proceed with your maintenance while avoiding contact with high-voltage components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.